Welcome to our review of the Haiping Line Hexagonal Stripes EVA self-adhesive boat decking sheet, designed for marine, yacht, RV, and swimming pool use. This durable mat measures 94.5 by 35.4 inches and features a thick, non-skid surface in stylish blue and black. Its high-density material resists damage and is elastic to prevent deformation or tearing. Installation is simple thanks to its strong self-adhesive backing, allowing quick application without extra tools. The decking sheet is stain-resistant and easy to clean, even with pressure washing. It provides a safe, non-slippery surface whether your boat deck is wet or dry. Enhance your vessel's safety and comfort with this reliable and easy-to-maintain flooring solution. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.